Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of Chewy Dinner. Your name's Chewy, that's your name, and we're gonna eat dinner. Got a delicious salad for us to start with. Nice Caesar salad with the chickens roostering in the back. Going for the tomatoes first. You love tomatoes, that's so funny. Homemade Caesar dressing. Lettuce, croutons, and tomatoes. My gosh, that's delicious. Not too much greens today. All done with the greens. What the heck are those roasters saying? Do you speak rooster? Chewy and I have been playing around with the Instagram the little things that Instagram has for photos, like the filters. They're pretty funny. It's interesting to see what animals the filters will work on and what animals they won't work on. What the heck, a fork? A fork with food in it? How'd that happen? More? The pretty eyes, like anything that changes your eyes works on him, but none of the eye stuff works on Bubbles the elephant, which is weird. I think it may be because like you have to have both of the eyes showing at once, and it's kind of, elephants' eyes are kind of on the sides of their head, so it's harder to kind of get it positioned correctly. It would be funny. I haven't tried it straight on. I wonder if it'll actually work from straight on. All done with salad? Put as much on your lap as you left on the table. That's about right. Sounds about right. That's a crouton? Can you say crouton? No, I can only say, oh! Would you like a little bit of water before we eat the entree? Thirsty boy today. Look, bread for you. And then enchiladas today. I think. Lasagna. Enchiladas was last week. This is lasagna. This is delicious. A red sauce lasagna, and then either a no sauce, maybe butter, maybe white sauce lasagna. Much more broccoli in the white sauce. Make a little bite for the monga. Okay. However you want to eat it, man. I'm gonna eat my broccoli and how I want to. I'm gonna eat one of these too. Wow, that's the crunchiest garlic bread I've ever had. I'm sorry, am I in your way? I think the white sauce is the winner today. That's delicious. What do you see that you want? The broccoli? Tomato goodness? Red tomato. Funny guy, you know that? I think it's pretty interesting watching you eat. The way this type of monkey eats is so different than humans and monkeys and apes. They pick different things depending on like how much food is in their pouch. So they start with like all the best stuff to fill up in there and make sure they got all the good stuff, and then they'll go for all the rest of it after most of that food's in their mouth. I've seen some of them hold food in their cheek pouches for hours. They'll slowly bring it back up and chew a little piece as they're just hanging out. I think Chewy is way too competitive to leave it in for any length of time. He really wants to make sure people know that it's his food and not theirs. Garlic bread, it's super garlicky, but that's so crunchy, I think you could break a wall with it. Or make a wall with it. Giant broccoli. No broccoli. I don't want no broccoli. Chewy gets a whole head of lettuce. I think he got some broccoli today. So, usually by dinner time, any of the greens that are on the table, he just eats. Only takes so much greens in one day. Chewy, did they cook this in the sun? It's like really hard. What are you, tomato fiend today? You ate all the tomatoes out of the salad, all the tomatoes out of the lasagna. Here. Noodle time. No noodles. No, just tomatoes off the meal. Look at that. Got all the red out of it. No more fork? That's all fork time we have today? That's silly. Here, would you like some of this? Yeet, yeet. 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 Here, we got another fork. Yeet. Ah, weird. Didn't see that one coming. You sure you're done? Oh no, no eating this. I don't want to pick that up. Some water to wash it all down. Was that so delicious? Oh yeah. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. That was a delicious dinner. Some salad and lasagna. No sweets today. We'll have to find something else to eat later. Maybe it's just some bananas and mango tonight. Check out all of our other stuff. We're on TikTok, Safari Siblings. Subscribe to this YouTube, like and comment. Picking my bugs, figuring out all the other stuff. I knew you weren't full. I have to Find all of the extra meat. Check out all of our stuff on Instagram, all the family, Cody Antle, Doc Antle, Moksha Baby, China, Myrtle Beach Safari. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Peace and love.